Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Paulie. Decided to kind of do a little vlog today just to give you guys a little glimpse of what it's like to be out here in SoCal. It should be a good day. So yeah, come check it out. Just got done with the shirts. Fucking awesome. What's up, homie? The main guy right here.
Got my daily on me. C-class on deck.
Taking a video. Groovy. So damn, look at this shit. Bro. Got the car, got the homegirl, and we about to rock. It was a fucking mission, let me tell you. It is now almost 2 o'clock, and I woke up at 10, finally got my car.
I'm different. Pull up to the same house, pull up.
What's up, guys?
Hey. There's 3 cars parked in front of you.
How am I supposed to get in, bro?
So I don't think you can park with us, dude.
I'm trying to park with you fools.
Dude, fuck them, bro.
Thank you, appreciate it. This is Jackie.
What's up, Jackie? Roger. Pleasure. Hey, nice to meet you, Jackie, Brandon. Yo.
Homegirl.
Fuck the Pope gang, dude. You gotta tuck that shit.
I know.
You gotta own it now, dude.
I know. I can't. The front.
That shit looks good, bro.
Does it look good though?
Let me get you, bro.
Let me air it down real quick. No, I want to air it down.
Yeah.
VIP Poppy in the house. This is our potential prospect here. Hey, part of this. He's got the Junction Produce flag. Oh, you're on live, bro? I hate being on live, though. Would you like a hoodie?
You're not recording.
Oh, you recording? Thank you.
Fuck you too, baby. We lit it up.
Supreme Team. Thank you.
Look at him.
This is exclusive shit right here, guys. Got a little wrinkle right here.
Hit the plug, man.
Yeah, what's
Hey,
it?
California Shirt Smiths, man. Hit me up for custom t-shirts, man.
Santa Ana.
Santa Ana.
Santa Ana.
So
So we went out to get food at Bubba Gump in Long Beach.
I don't have any.
They're fucking drunk as shit. They're drunk as shit.
No. What are those? They're like, I got them from my nails when I get
She's trying to act like she's sober, but she's not sober at all.
Were you talking about me?
Shy, bro.
I am sober.
I didn't even order.
Nah.
Take a shot. What's up with it? I ain't drinking shit.
Alright, fuck it.
Look, that's one.
Cheers, bro.
I ain't drinking on that. That's a lot.
This looks like 3 shots, man.
This is a fucking man shot, bro. Man shot.
Woo!
Holly.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, motherfuckers. We're not even Irish. Fuck
This lobster.
Liberty
Yeah.
gang. Liberty gang.
We're not a gang. We're just a group of guys that like cars. Right, Kevin? Yeah, so that was a crazy car show. I had fun. This was...
We all had fun.
Oh, really? This is actually Jackie's first time at a car show. Well, this type of car
At
show.
this type of car show. I've been at low-ended car shows and a lot of low-ended car
She's
shows.
about that life.
Yeah. You should call them my hometown.
Kind of. Alright. We're fucking waiting to get all this shit out, man. Look at all these cars.